How to write celebration messages in your Microsoft Teams chat. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can write celebration messages in your Microsoft Teams chat. So in order to write celebration messages, must make sure that they are a group chat or a Teams conversation and not with some one-on-one random conversations. So I have this meeting chat right here, as you can see. So in order to do this, I can simply click onto this type a message bar, and from here I can click onto this plus icon that says actions and apps. Once I click onto this, I have this celebrate option right here. Let me click onto celebrate and it will show me these options like congratulations, thankful, great job, etc, etc. So I'm gonna go with this great job option, and I can type in a custom message as well. And once I type in, I can simply click on add to compose, and here you can see a celebration message has been successfully added to this chat. I can simply click onto this send button, and here you can see that a celebration message has been successfully sent in this group chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.